The IRV Lab presents LOCO AUV, a low-cost, open, autonomous underwater vehicle designed for easy use by small, under-equipped teams of non-experts. LOCO is built from approximately $4,000 of off-the-shelf and 3D printed parts, making it an inexpensive robot to purchase and simple enough to assemble. Additionally, LOCO software currently in use is open source, and the design, schematics, and assembly instructions are all planned for release. LOCO is also designed for human usability. Deployable by a team as small as one person, LOCO's human-robot interaction capabilities make it straightforward to operate. LOCO is built around two watertight enclosures with 3 thrusters arranged around them. The right enclosure houses a camera, OLED display, and an NVIDIA Jetson TX2 for deep learning inference. The left enclosure houses a second camera along with a Raspberry Pi 4 and Pixhawk microcontroller system. As previously mentioned, LOCO is easily deployable by small teams. Less than a meter long and weighing 27 pounds, LOCO can be carried by one person. LOCO's pre-deployment procedures are minimal. The main tasks that have to be done are connecting the batteries, closing the enclosures, pumping the enclosures to vacuum, and attaching the thrusters. The whole process typically takes 30 minutes but can be done in as little as 15. Once in the water, LOCO can be switched on and off using a magnetic key as seen in these videos. Once LOCO is powered on, it is ready for operation within approximately 60 seconds. LOCO can be controlled using fiducial markers called AR toolkit tags as command flashcards, with each card triggering a different routine. These same operations can also be achieved using hand gestures. Additionally, LOCO has diver following capabilities which allow it to convoy with a diver team. LOCO has been successfully deployed in pool environments, as well as in the Caribbean off the coast of Barbados. We are excited to see what the users of this robot will do with it, as its capabilities continue to be refined and expanded. Thank you to all contributors and collaborators on this project.